If you're a budget enthusiast, you need to see this. Join Money Smart Basics as we tackle my dream budget plan for 2025. Can I stick to it? Follow along and let's find out together. Subscribe for tips and motivation. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Look in the description below for wealth building tools and income opportunities. Do you ever feel like money slips through your fingers, like no matter how hard you try to hold on to it, it just seems to vanish? This is a common feeling that many people experience. It's as if you're constantly chasing after your finances, but they always seem to be one step ahead, slipping away when you need them the most. Like you're working hard but not getting ahead, you're not alone. Many people put in long hours at work only to find that their paychecks barely cover their expenses. It's a frustrating cycle that can leave you feeling defeated and stressed. But don't worry, there's hope. Millions of people struggle to manage their money. But there's good news. You can take control. It's not about how much you make, but how you manage what you have. With the right tools and mindset, you can turn your financial situation around and start making progress towards your goals. You can achieve your financial dreams. Imagine the freedom of not worrying about bills, the joy of reaching a savings goal, or the satisfaction of paying off debt. These dreams are within your reach, and it all starts with taking control of your money. It all starts with a budget. A budget is a powerful tool that helps you see where your money is going and make a plan for how to use it. It's not about restricting yourself or cutting out all the fun. Instead, it's about making intentional choices that align with your priorities and values. A budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about giving yourself the freedom to spend on what truly matters to you. When you have a budget, you can enjoy your money without guilt because you know you're making smart choices. It's about making your money work for you. Instead of wondering where your money went, you'll know exactly where it's going and why. You'll be able to save for the future, invest in your dreams, and build a financial cushion for unexpected expenses. It's about achieving your goals, big or small. Whether you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off student loans, or take a dream vacation, a budget can help you get there. It's your roadmap to success, guiding you step by step towards your financial dreams. Whether it's buying a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, a budget can make these goals achievable. It's not just about cutting back, it's about making your money work for you in the best way possible. Or taking a dream vacation, a budget can help you plan and save for the experiences that matter most to you. Imagine the joy of taking a trip without worrying about how you'll pay for it. With a budget, you can make these dreams a reality. A budget is your roadmap to success. It shows you the path to follow and helps you stay on track. With a clear plan in place, you'll be able to make informed decisions and avoid financial pitfalls. In this guide, we'll walk you through creating a budget that works for you. We'll cover everything from tracking your expenses to setting realistic goals. You'll learn how to create a budget that fits your lifestyle and helps you achieve your financial dreams. We'll use simple language and practical tips, no complicated jargon here. Our goal is to make budgeting easy and accessible for everyone. Whether you're a budgeting beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide has something for you. Let's get started on your journey to financial peace. It's time to take control of your money and start living the life you want. With the right tools and mindset, you can achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. So let's dive in and start this exciting journey together. The first step to building a budget is knowing how much money you have coming in. This means understanding all sources of your income, whether it's from a regular job, freelance work, or any other side gigs you might have. This is your net income. Net income is the amount you actually take home after all the necessary deductions have been made. It's the amount you actually take home after taxes and other deductions. These deductions can include federal and state taxes, Social Security, health insurance, and retirement contributions. Look at your pay stubs. Carefully review each one to understand the breakdown of your earnings and deductions. See what you actually bring home each month. This is crucial because it gives you a clear picture of your disposable income. Don't use your gross income, the amount before deductions. Gross income can be misleading because it doesn't account for the money that never actually reaches your bank account. That's not a realistic picture of your available money. Using gross income can lead to overestimating your financial capacity, and can result in budgeting errors. If your income varies, like if you're self-employed or work on commission, calculate your average monthly income. This can be done by adding up your income from the past several months and dividing by the number of months. Look back at the past few months and figure out a realistic average. This helps in creating a more accurate and reliable budget. Knowing your income is the foundation of your budget. Without a clear understanding of your income, it's impossible to create a realistic budget that you can stick to. This step sets the stage for all your financial planning and helps you make informed decisions about your spending and saving. Once you have a clear picture of your income, you can start setting financial goals. These goals can be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like building an emergency fund or saving for retirement. Tracking your expenses is the next step. Knowing how much you spend and on what categories will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. A well-planned budget includes categories for all your expenses, such as housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Make sure to allocate a portion of your income to each category based on your spending habits and financial goals. Remember, your budget is not set in stone. It's a flexible tool that you can adjust as your financial situation changes. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget will help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. By knowing your income and managing your budget effectively, you can take control of your finances and work towards a more secure financial future. Start today by understanding your income, setting realistic goals, and creating a budget that works for you. Your financial well-being depends on it. Now that you know how much money you have coming in, it's time to see where it's going. This is where many people get tripped up. They don't realize how much they spend on little things. Track your spending for a month. Write down every dollar you spend. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. There are many free apps available. Categorize your spending. Food, housing, transportation, entertainment. These are just a few examples. Seeing where your money goes can be eye-opening. What do you want to achieve with your money? Do you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, retire early? These are your financial goals. Write down your short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals might be paying off a credit card or saving for a vacation. Long-term goals might be buying a house or retiring comfortably. Having clear goals gives you something to work towards. It keeps you motivated to stick to your budget. Remember, your goals are personal. Don't compare yourself to others. Section 5, Step 4, Make your plan. This is a crucial step in taking control of your financial future. Now it's time to create your budget. A well-thought-out budget is the foundation of financial stability and success. This is where you decide how much money you'll allocate to each category of spending. It's important to be thorough and realistic in this process. Look at your income and your expenses. Gather all your financial statements, including bank statements, pay stubs, and bills. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. Start by covering your needs: housing, food, transportation, and utilities. These are your essential expenses that must be prioritized. Then allocate money towards your debt payments and savings goals. Paying off debt and saving for the future are critical components of a healthy financial plan. Finally, factor in your wants, like entertainment and dining out. Be realistic. It's important to enjoy life, but within your means. If you're currently spending $500 a month on eating out, don't try to cut it down to $50 overnight. Such drastic changes are often unsustainable. Start with a smaller, more achievable goal like $400. Gradual adjustments are more likely to stick and lead to long-term success. Setting clear financial goals is essential. Define both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt, while long-term goals could be saving for retirement or buying a home. Regularly track your expenses and review your budget. Use tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending and ensure you stay on track. Be flexible and adjust your budget as needed. Life is unpredictable, and your financial plan should be adaptable to changes in your circumstances. Celebrate your financial milestones. Achieving your goals, no matter how small, is a significant accomplishment and should be acknowledged. Remember, creating a budget is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires regular attention and adjustments. Stay committed, and you'll see the benefits over time. With a solid plan in place, you'll feel more confident and in control of your financial future. Take the first step today and make your plan. Section 6, Step 5, pick your method. There are many different budgeting methods out there. The key is to find one that works for you. One popular method is the 50-30-20 budget. With this method, you allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Another method is the envelope system, where you divide your cash into envelopes for different spending categories. Experiment with different methods until you find one that fits your personality and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to adjust and tweak as you go along. Section 7, Step 6, Adjust and Adapt. Creating a budget is just the first step. The real work is sticking to it. This takes discipline and commitment. But don't worry, it gets easier over time. Track your spending regularly and compare it to your budget. If you're overspending in one area, see if you can cut back in another. Life happens and unexpected expenses come up. Be flexible and adjust your budget as needed. The important thing is to be aware of your spending and make conscious choices about your money. Section 8, Step 7, Review and Revise. Your budget isn't set in stone. It's a living document that should evolve with your needs and goals. Review your budget regularly, at least monthly, but ideally weekly. Did you get a raise? Did your expenses increase? Adjust your budget accordingly, celebrate your successes and learn from your mistakes. The more you use your budget, the better you'll become at managing your money. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. There will be bumps along the way, but don't give up. The rewards of financial freedom are worth it. Section 9, Conclusion, Your Path to Financial Freedom. Congratulations, you've taken the first step towards financial freedom by creating a budget. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about making your money work for you so you can achieve your dreams. Stay focused on your goals, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress. You've got this. Now go out there and take control of your financial future. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Ready to take control of your wallet in 2025? Start with a simple plan. Track your spending, set clear goals, and stick to it. You'll be amazed at how much you can save. Let's make 2025 your year of smart spending. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.